What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, glad to have you back again. So today I'll be sharing with us how I make 100,000 naira in profit as an errand girl. So if that sounds like something that you really want to listen to, then ensure to watch this video to the end. So if you remember, in one of my previous video, I'll put the link up here so you can actually check it out and see. I talk about some side hustle that you can do if as a stay-at-home mom, or any other person can do those side hustle and make money. So one of the things I mentioned there is personal shopping. So being an errand, like being an errand girl or an errand boy. I don't know, do men also do personal shopping as a side hustle? I wouldn't know. Let me know in the comment section if you know any man that's run errands for people. So like when after I had my first baby, then I wasn't back at work. I was still at home, and I was just there, as a new mom, trying to take care of my baby. I wasn't just ready to go back to work mentally. So, and as I was at home, your girl cannot just sit down at home without making any money. So please permit me if my voice sounds somehow. I've been so strong, but I'm a bit better today, so I just feel like let me talk to my guys because I've missed you so much. So I was just at home, just sitting there taking care of baby. So I decided to start running errands for people. By the way, I love shopping, if you don't know me. So count on me to be your errand girl. If you have anything you would like me to personally shop for you, you can reach out to me, okay? So, and I'll be glad to do that for you. So let me share with you how I actually make 100,000 naira in profit. And it wasn't once, it wasn't twice, it wasn't 3 times. It was constant, though I've not been able to do that regularly again because of kids. But then, it was like a major source of income for me personally, which I think is something especially any stay-at-home mom that you are just there trying to take care of your baby, something you can do and make some extra cash for yourself. Okay, so what I did was that I joined so many Facebook group, so many Facebook, like groups on Facebook, markets groups on Facebook. So I do tell people, okay, I can shop for you, blah blah blah. So basically what you do as an errand person is to run errands for people. Like if they have a list of things they will want to buy at the markets, they will send you their list, you buy it for them, and you get a commission for doing that. Okay, and as a matter of fact, some of the stores where you'll be buying these goods, they will also give you some commission. Like you are getting commission from your clients and from the store. So if you want to know how you can do that without, I will just give you some tips that can help you to do that and make money from it. Okay, so after joining the Facebook market group, you put your an advert. It's free, you don't need to pay for that. So people can start reaching out to you, they send their list, and you start buying things for them. Okay, so what I did basically is I help some clients to buy perfumes, like oud perfumes, like Arabian perfumes in general. So they sell it back in Nigeria, so I buy it for them from here. Then I'll help them to send it. I have a cargo company I normally use. Once I purchase their goods, I take it to the cargo house and they send it to them in Nigeria. So this is how it works. You go to those stores during I know you are busy, probably especially for new moms that their baby is still small and they can't really go out with them. thank God for technology now, and thank God for the likes of social media now. So basically it's cost me a day to do all of these things. So can you just imagine yourself running an errand for a day and you get a whooping 100,000 naira for yourself? I know that means nothing to some people, but for some that just need that extra change, I mean, as bad as our economy is, if you can get an 100,000 naira in a day, I think it's something that you really want to do, right? So you can reach out, like when my clients send me the list of things they need to buy or they want to buy, I will reach out to those stores. I check them out on Facebook or their Instagram page. Like almost any serious business are on Facebook. If you don't find them on Facebook, you find them on Instagram. And if you can't find them on Facebook or Instagram, you will definitely find them on their website. So what basically I do is I check out those stores, the perfumes that the person wants, and I check out the stores on Facebook or Instagram. Then I reach out to them by calling them, or by, if they have a WhatsApp number on their page, I will reach out to them, or I DM them on Instagram. So I'll be able to get the price, negotiate well before I set out for purchasing, if you get what I mean. And why do I do that? So that you will not just waste your time to go to the market first. I mean, there is no point you going to the market first while you can actually do that from home. Just reach out to them, get the prices, negotiate, contact other companies so as to check for price difference, so that you can get the best deal for your customer. You know, these people also want to resell, so if you can help them to get the least price, it will help them to make massive profits on their in their business. And mind you, if you are running errands for people, don't just focus on you getting profits. Have your clients also in mind, because it is when they are in business that you also will make money. So I wouldn't want us to be greedy. As much as you want to make money, also have the interest of your clients also at so that as they are making profits, you also will be making profits. So ensure that you get the best deal. If you get what I mean, get the best price in town for them. Don't just go for one store and just seal it up like that. Like, compare prices of different stores and go with the one with the best deal. Okay, let me know, are you enjoying this video? If you haven't liked this video at this point, please click the like button, share, subscribe. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Okay, so, and once you do that, once you are able to get all the quotes, you just send it over to your clients, and once they are satisfied with the price and all that, they will send you money. Ensure you get money before you set out. Don't ever use your money to go and purchase good for a client. Don't do that, except you've gotten to a stage that probably you've been doing that, like you guys have gained each other's trust, if you get what I mean. So once the person send money across to you, ensure you buy the correct thing for them, and ensure that you use the best cargo company for them. And what am I saying? Why am I saying that? Because I've seen people that have used the wrong cargo company for their clients, and at the end of the day they lost that client because of the cargo company, not because they didn't do a good job, but because of the cargo company they used. So the tips that will help you to make whooping a lot of money as an errand girl is: get the best deal for your clients. Is very important, okay, in terms of price and in terms of quality. And again, ensure you use the best cargo company for your clients, not the ones that will delay or the ones that will steal your clients' goods. Okay, and be transparent, be honest with them, so that, you know, like, the way you treat your customers matters a lot. Once you treat them right in the first instance, second instance, they will always want to come back to you. So I just feel like I should share this, like it would be so helpful for some mothers with newborns that they just want to make, like as they are taking care of their newborn, they want to make that extra income. And I don't think is restricted to only mothers. Any other person, if you have that spare time, you can as well do this. Even if you are a working class person, once you get the list of whatever thing your clients want to buy, you just make the market research, price research and all the likes for them, and make your money. So let me know if there is anyone on this platform that is an errand girl like me. So let me know your thoughts about this, and I will see you guys in my next video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.